Hello, in this video you will learn how to use other options of control panel, like you will learn credential manager, date and time, default programs. So if we click on default programs, set your default program, you can set the program which you want to be make them defaults. So the next option is date and time. You can change your date and time according to your need. So there are many options to change date and time, but if you click on this tab you will be able to change the date and time. So if you click it and make changes on this date and time, so you will easily can change it. And the next is time time zone. So if you want to select other countries time zone, you can easily select it. So if we want to select the Nigerian timeline, we will see that what is the Nigeria time. So we will search Nigeria time. So now in Nigeria there are 11 11 o'clock and 22 minutes. So now we have to see here GMT plus 1. So this is the Nigerian time format. So now we search here G1. Where is G1? G1 plus so this we don't have still installed Nigerian time. If we click on international dateline west, you can check here. So we don't need to change our time, we just want to explain that how can we change the time. So if you have a printer, you can make changes in device and printers. So device manager, when you click on the device manager, these options will come on this dialog box. So these are add-on PC and our computer, the whole softwares and apps which are necessary to be used will show on the device manager. So these components are very necessary to run the computer. So you can see that these are the basic programs of the computer. And the next option is font. If you want to change the font of your computer, you can change here. So that is one of the best font of the you can set here according to your need. There are many fonts, there are many stylish fonts are in this Windows 7. So subscribe my YouTube channel Shazi Info thank you very much.